Hey guys, welcome back to David's channel. Today we're gonna do some prop hunt. Brother, what's up? Say hi in camera.
Hello.
Say hi. So guys, that's my brother tablet. We play games server 2. USA. Can I change the name, Aaron?
No.
I'm just gonna add count.
No.
And Aaron. That's it. So guys,
I got 70 coins. Maybe I should buy this one.
no,
Hunter.
go for props.
No. It's 100 coins.
Oh, Hunter.
Don't. What
Oh,
was
look
that?
at that.
What
No,
was that? Check out the hunter.
selected.
Okay.
Get coins. Okay, I'm just gonna buy in the server list.
Join it, Angel Grave.
In was 2 times 2. My favorite was 2 times 2. Right, brother?
Yep. We are your favorite that. So guys, today we are showing you the hiding spot. Hope this is gonna work.
Go guys, I'm just gonna make a server. Server list. Nope. Wait, server. I'm gonna type YT. Nope.
Friends.
Join in here. That's it. And bus times 2. So we're just gonna wait for some join. Wait. So guys, until the players, I'm gonna show you my best hiding spot.
You should change the trapdoor, okay? So guys, this is our
Best spot ever.
so guys, you can do this and prop hunt portable.
So I can jump in here. I can't.
The hiding spot, guys, in there. So
Is
you can see in
here.
there, huh, guys? Pretty cool, huh? Someone can see you there.
In
Cool,
here.
huh? So when someone hunter in there, that stupid place, and will find you.
Oh, sorry for that. I'm gonna wait. So guys, this is my hiding spot. You know it. We're gonna walk around. So guys, for the next video, I'm gonna play some Minecraft Pocket Edition.
So guys, you wanna see Minecraft Pocket Edition? So yeah, make sure you hit a button, subscribe, or like. Yeah, make sure you hit it for Minecraft Pocket Edition.
I think.
So guys, this is the hiding spot number 2. Just kidding.
Guys, this is
No,
best hiding spot ever. This is best spot. Look at that.
what?
Only use the trapdoor
Like a trapdoor, huh? Pretty cool.
in here. In here.
So you can climb, huh? Oh yeah,
Oh,
guys.
sorry for that.
So yeah, guys, you can use that in that. You can hide your box, then hiding that.
Oh, shut up. I'm recording. So guys, did you see this best spot ever too? So this is the best spot ever. In here. So guys, you can do it only at Prop Hunt Portable. So
You can do it in iOS and Android.
so
But you
guys,
can see you down there.
okay. I'm just gonna join.
So guys, you know how to best spot. Okay? So now you know.
Hey,
Join
Bear.
Angel here.
I'm joining. Oh, I think I have a best spot ever in here.
Guys, we're gonna have a best spot in the world. So guys, you wanna teach? So just watch. Okay, King Pez. Mario 23.
Okay, soup in here.
And guys is drinking water.
FTK. Oh, Trevor died. Wow.
I think that's real, Trevor.
I
Maybe they found.
don't know. Yeah. Oh, there is. I wish I don't hunter. I wish. Yes. I'm not a hunter.
Go, show your best spot, brother. Show it, show it, show
I
it.
don't think I have a best spot over here.
So you just change the barrel, you know. Wow.
Guys,
Okay.
this is a good spot.
Good spot. Just don't move. If he shot you, just run away and change. Okay, guys, that's the deal. Right, brother?
Yeah. Zoom in. There's a hunter over there.
Alright, guys. The hunter is 2, okay? I think they got some. Where's Mario? Do you think it's real?
No. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh. I'm gonna move. There's a hunter over there. There's
Just
a
don't
hunter
move.
over
Nothing
there.
gonna happen.
There it is, nigga. Holy crap.
It's just attacking, you know.
I know it.
Sexy, I know.
Oh, there's thing.
Okay, hidden team.
No! For fuck's sake!
Get the f out of here.
Oh crap. Oh crap. Look at it, brother. I have
Where is
the
it?
best spot.
Check it out. You're gonna see him there.
Prop win. What the heck?
What? Your hunter?
Nope. Oh crap, I win. I'm not always a hunter.
Okay.
Oh! Ho!
What is it? What is it?
Ho, 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 ho. See, guys? Oh, there's a hunter! No! Wait, stop! So, guys, I'm just gonna play some Minecraft.
So guys, thanks for watching. If you want to see the Minecraft Pocket Edition, make sure you subscribe. So guys, see you next time. Bye bye.